We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We are showing you how to make delicious, flavorful cilantro lime rice. To start, we need to chop some onion. We cook this onion with the rice, which adds a little extra texture and flavor. For even more flavor, we need fresh garlic. Just mince it finely. Before cooking the rice, we always thoroughly rinse. This removes excess starch, which, if left, makes the cooked rice gummy. This is one of the most important tips for cooking perfect rice. Okay, it's time to cook. Add some fat, this is olive oil, to a medium saucepan over medium heat. Then throw in the chopped onion and the rinsed rice. Stir the onion and rice around the pan until the onion has softened a bit and the rice turns a pearly white. Stir in the garlic and then pour in the cooking liquid. Here we are using water, but a vegetable or chicken stock is also a nice idea. Season the rice with salt, turn down the heat to low, and then cover with a tight-fitting lid. Cook covered for 15 minutes, then slide the pot off of the heat, keep it covered, and leave it alone for 10 more minutes. While you wait, chop lots of fresh cilantro and juice limes. Remember, as with all of our recipe videos, you can find the full ingredient list in the recipe on Inspired Taste. After 10 minutes, uncover the rice and fluff it gently with a fork. Add the cilantro and lime juice. I start with about 3 tablespoons, taste, and then add more if needed. And that's it. Easy and flavorful cilantro lime rice. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.